Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Neha jakhotia and here I am with you today to share my monsoon hair care routine, which is extremely simple. You know what? You guys are welcome because you guys are going to thank me by the end of this video. You will be like, thank you so much Neha, you came to our rescue. Rescue you from monsoon monsters, guys. You must be thinking what these monsoon monsters are, right? This is frizzy hair, unmanageable, brittle, and hair fall. But you know what? I've come up with a solution to it. I'm your superwoman and I'm going to save you from all of it. All you need is just two product from Pilgrim, and the first product being their hair serum. This hair serum is beautiful and amazing and it's so easy to use. You just need to take a few drops of this hair serum, apply it to your scalp, massage it with your fingers and leave it overnight and wash it the next day. And that's exactly where my second products come in. And that is this Pilgrim Argan hair mask. You know, Secrets of Jeju Island Argan hair mask. All you need to do is take a tad bit of this product, massage it between your fingers, and then massage it on your roots. That's exactly right. You have heard it right. You have to massage it on your roots, apply it to your roots. You know, generally with hair mask and conditioner, the thing is that you cannot apply it on roots, and that's the mistake that all of us have made or we still make. So if you don't know that, kindly note that conditioners and masks are not made to be used on root, but these are. So all you need to do is apply it and rinse it after 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse it out like completely and thoroughly, and you will get soft and smooth and silky and manageable frizz-free hair. Following this two-step routine is extremely simple. So let me tell you how you can do it. First of all, I'm going to take this advanced hair growth serum. I'm just going to drop a few drops. You don't need a large amount of this onto my scalp, and a few drops on my fingertips. And now I'm just going to apply it to my scalp. Especially areas where I want hair growth, like this part of my forehead. You know, I have receding hairline as you can see, so I'm just going to take and add a drop over here. And now I'm just going to spread it evenly all across. So once that is done, I'm going to leave it in for 30 minutes and then wash my hair, and then we'll move on to the next step. Now I've washed my hair. It's all clean, squeaky clean. So now let's move on to the next step, which is using this Argan hair mask. I'm just going to take this hair mask. It has a wooden spatula in it, which is like really nice. I'm just rub it so that it's evenly spread on my finger, and now apply it on the roots. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash your hair off, and you will get silky, smooth, soft, manageable, frizz-free hair. So that is how easy the application is. Guys, let me tell you the benefit. Let me just tell you the benefit of these two products that I have been using, and that is frizz-free hair. It's manageable, it's smooth, it controls hair fall, and it promotes hair growth as well. So it controls hair fall and it promotes hair growth, and you're going to have voluminous hair. And I used to be so scared of running my finger through my hair, but see, not anymore. Because there is not a single strand of hair coming out even in this monsoon season. And that is why these products from Pilgrim are absolute love to me, and I am so in awe of it. You also know, let me tell you, the list of ingredients of these products have been listed on the sides. So I'm not going to read out the ingredients to you, you can check it out on their site. But what I'm going to tell you is that it's 100% vegan, it's sulfate and paraben free, and they have been tested by friends and families. So they are cruelty free as well, and these do not use those toxic 20 chemicals, and hence making it 100% safe. While the full list of ingredients is available on the website, let me just tell you the main ingredients of these products. So this Pilgrim Secrets of Jeju Island Advanced Hair Growth Serum contains red and sil and anagen with green tea. And this hair mask, it contains argan oil and white lotus and camellia extract, which is amazing for your hair. Pilgrim is a brand that wants to bring world's beauty to you. That's what their tagline is, and I really feel that they are doing that, and it's all made in India. It's PETA certified, and you know what? made in India. I really look forward to using products that are made in India, because that kind of help us promote the economy of India, and let's just be a part of it. One of the other great things that I like about it is that it is for all hair type. No matter what is your hair type, no matter you are a man or a woman, you can use it like absolutely without any tension. And that is why I am in love with these two products. And yes, that is how I'm taking care of my hair in this monsoon. This Argan hair mask contains 200 ml of product, which is going to, I guess, last you really long, and that is just for 650 rupees. And this has 50 ml of serum, and it is just priced at 850. You can get both this product at a 15% discount, and the code has been written in the description box below, and also the link to the website has been mentioned. So all you need to do is go to the website, use this code, and avail a 15% discount on the price. I hope you really liked this video, and if you did, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean absolute world to me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.